In this video, I will show you how to create school result. So open the ChatGPT and just write here, create school result format, and for Excel, table or type the MS Word. And once you write properly, it will create like this. Okay, and just copy here. Once it's created, open the Excel book and paste it. Now adjust the size. So select here and make extend this slide. Now select all, make it center, and here select the outside border. Also you can select the all borders. Manually adjust. Select first line and apply the background color like this. So this is the way, guys, and now make the changes: books name, student names, and roll number. Here you can add some more books. Just right click here and insert the column. You can insert column or you can insert the row, like you need insert the column. So here a new book detail will appear. Thanks for watching.